We are now going to use what we have learned about squares and rectangles to find out what we call the perimeter of a shape. The perimeter of a shape. What the perimeter of the shape is the outside border of the shape. So if this was our maths classroom, this rectangle over here, the perimeter of the maths classroom, or the rectangle, would be all the way around the edges of the classroom. So the perimeter is this border around the shape, or the maths classroom in our case. And the perimeter, the way we calculate the perimeter, is the same no matter what the shape is. No matter what the shape is, we use the same method of calculating the perimeter. So for example, in this square over here, I know that squares have 4 equal sides. So if this side is 3 centimeters, then that means that this side is also 3 centimeters, and this side is also 3 centimeters, and this side is also 3 centimeters. So in order to find the perimeter, or the border of the square, I have to add all the 4 sides together. So I say perimeter is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So perimeter is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus the 3 plus 3 is 6, plus the other 3 is 9, plus another 3 is 12. So the perimeter of this square is 12 centimeters, just like that. It wouldn't matter if the shape was a square or a rectangle or any other shape, you still have to add all the sides together to find the perimeter. If we had to try and find the perimeter of this shape over here, which is a composite shape, remember composite shapes are when we have 2 shapes that are put together. So over here, if I draw a line here, I can see here is a rectangle and here is another rectangle, and I can use that information to help me find the missing sides. Sometimes before I can find the perimeter, I have to find the missing sides of the shape, and I can do that by understanding knowing what I know about squares and rectangles. So if this is a rectangle here, then that means this side, opposite sides are equal. So that side is equal to this side, which means this from here to here is 2 centimeters. And here's another rectangle, which means that opposite sides are equal. So if this is 4 centimeters, then this side is also 4 centimeters. So that means that this side here is 4 centimeters plus 2 centimeters, which is 6 centimeters. The same over here. I can make a little rectangle here, or a square. If this is 2 centimeters, then the opposite side is also going to be 2 centimeters. And if this is 3 centimeters and this big rectangle here, then the opposite sides are equal. So this is also going to be 3 centimeters from here to here. So therefore, to get the length of this side, I say 2 centimeters plus 3 centimeters is equal to 6 centimeters. So now it's easy for me to find the perimeter because I've got all the sides of my shape. Remember, perimeter, you add all the sides together. So perimeter here is going to be the 2 centimeters here plus 2 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus this whole side I've worked out is 6 centimeters plus that whole side I've worked out is also 6 centimeters. So that means perimeter is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4, plus another 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 6 is 17, plus another 6. If it's too big, we can do it on the side. 17 plus 6. 6 plus 7 is 13, carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. No, 6, sorry. 1 plus 0 is 0, plus 1 is 2, 23. So my perimeter here is 23 centimeters. So it doesn't matter what shape you have. To get the perimeter, you always add all the sides together, and sometimes we have to find the extra or unknown signs by ourselves using what we know about the shapes. So if you understand this clearly, please pause the video now and try these examples on your whiteboard by yourself. Find the perimeter of those shapes.